you for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Today what I'll be showing you is how to be making these beautiful roses. What you'll need to make the roses, I personally find the Squires Kitchen Sugar Flower Paste good to use, the phenomenal amazing Rapid Rose Pad, cornflower pouch, 5 petal rose cutters. Here I have the 90mm and the 80mm sizes, a handy dandy rolling pin, a sharp knife, a water pen, absolutely great to use, a ball tool, foam pad, piece of polystyrene to hold your roses in, polystyrene cone stuck onto cocktail sticks. These were round ball polystyrene which I popped a bit of flower paste on top to make it into the cone. These are all the things you'll need to make the roses. You can also use petal dust if you're going to colour them, or colour your flower paste beforehand. I need white, which I will dust with petal dust. It's best to dust them once they've actually dried. These I made last night and they're rock solid. Look how thin you can actually roll the petal dust and then thin it out as well with the ball tool. All the links can be found in the description below. Right, let's get started. To start with, get your flower paste. If I was to colour the flower paste, I'll use gel colours and colour it about now. Take some of our flower paste. The bit that you're not using, do put it in a bag, because it does tend to dry up very quickly. Grab some corn flour on your surface, not a lot, just a little, and roll out your paste. And also you'll only need one cutter for that whole rose, so it's not like I've used 2 sizes. I've got 2 sizes out because I'm going to be making 2 different roses to show you, but for this size I only use the 80mm. So to start with, you just need to cut 1 petal. Flip over, rub the palm of your hand over the cutter just so you've got a nice neat cut. Pop it out and just cut this so you've only got 1 petal. So just cut like a V shape. Grab your foam pad, pop your petal on there, grab your ball tool, and having your petal sideways, thin half of it. Just thin the edges. Grab your water pen and give it a water smile. We're going to be using the ball that has the sugar paste on top. Pop your polystyrene ball in the centre, lift it up, and then wrap the petal round. It's to form that cone and the bud. Get it as tight as possible. The bottom bit's nothing to worry about because no one's going to see that. That sugar paste at the top is just there also so you can't see the polystyrene ball. Pat it all down at the bottom and then pop that to one side. Grab some more flour paste, pop some corn flour down and roll your whole flour paste out again. How thin I got that. Flour paste is movable on the surface. Grab your cutter, give it a wiggle, pull off the excess, flip it over, grab your foam pad, rub the palm of your hand across the cutter again, pop it onto your foam pad. Grab your ball tool, thin the edges of each of the petals. This is where you get your amazing rapid rose. Flip your flower paste petals onto the pad. Grab your water pen and just each petal and then some in the centre. Grab your rose, pop the cocktail stick through the foam pad and the flower paste. Grab it on the other end. Choose a leaf and wrap one side of it to polystyrene cone. Now grab the opposite petal, wrap the opposite side round, and then go back to that first petal and wrap that over the opposite petal, and then the same for the other side. And that's your rose bud starting to form. And then grab another petal, pop one side up, leaving the other side open, pop the next petal in that gap, and then just put some more water there. Pop that up there, and then pop the third one into that one, and then the 3 petals that are open, wrap them round so they're all interlocking with each other. And then take your rose out of the pad and turn it upside down. These can go directly into the cake because they're on cocktail sticks. You can also dip this in safety seal. I've got a video on my channel to show how that's done, and then it go directly into the cake. But obviously these roses aren't edible because of the polystyrene ball, but also because flour paste sets extremely hard, so it'll be too hard to eat. And you can then manipulate petals as you like. You can also use one of these tools to manipulate the leaves if you don't want to use your fingers and your hands. And you leave that to set while you get on with the next petal. You can prep the petals as well, but like cut them all out first. You need to keep them in a Ziploc bag just so they don't start drying out. Grab your corn flour, pop that down, and roll your fondant out again. Right, grab your cutter, give it a wiggle, flip it over. Oh, it's already coming out. Grab your foam pad, rub the palm of your hand. Grab your ball tool. Just thin that up. Now, what you do for this one is you just use your fingers and curl each of the petals, just in a V shape. You can do it, you know, however you see fit. I prefer sometimes more curly, sometimes less. And because you've thinned them out already, the curl's already kind of there for you, just do a bit more. Grab your flower pad and flip the petals over. Grab your water and the same principle, the V shape of water and some in the middle on each petal. Grab your rose, pop it through the hole again, grab it on the other end, and this time you're going to grab a petal, stick it up, leave only on one side, stick it, leave the other side open, and the next petal stick that in there, and then if it sticks and then stick the previous one on top of it. Take out your flower pad, flip it upside down, just stick those petals down that we're choosing not to stick. A little bit bigger of a rose. I'll stick one more on there. Right, we'll stick one more lovely cornflower, pop that on there. Grab your cutter. Yep, that's enough. Give it a wiggle. See if that's alright. Yay, it's alright. Get your foam pad. Pop your petals on there. When you thin them, you have the bottle half on the petal paste and half on the foam pad. Curl each of the petals again. Grab your pad, pop the petals on there. V shape again of water. You can have it. Grab your rose, pop the rose through. Again, the same principle as before. Grab a petal, stick half of it on, and then pop the next one into that gap and then seal it with the previous petal. There you go. Turn it around, let gravity do its thing, and then just press the petals down. These will dry overnight. It's best to try and get them to dry upside down. And then once they're dried, you can put petal dust on them. On my next video, I will show you how to make the larger rose. It will be the same principle. Thanks for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Like and share the video, and leave any suggestions, comments or things you'd like to see in the comments. Thanks again. Welcome and thanks for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Today what I'm going to be showing you is how to be making a rose out of Florist paste.